Wow, wow, everybody. Today, I'm gonna ask Wubbzy to build me a car. Hey, Wubbzy, can you build me a car? I'm sure, little buddy. Give me a couple of minutes. Okay. Okay, Whoopster, look. Wow, that's cool. Hop in. Okay, how does this work? Well, first you gotta press that button. Oh yeah, baby, I'm running so fast. What should I do today? Uh-oh. Whoa! Oh yeah, baby, I'm gonna jump off the ramp. Whoa! Ow! Ooh, ow, my tail. It's red. It's hurting. I think I need to go to Dr. Fluey's. Wubbzy, it seems like you have one of those tired tails again. Come on, that means I can't jump on my tail. But it's really hurting. Well, you need a rest. And stay off of that tail. Okay. I guess I'll go to bed. Wow, my tail's better.